Hi guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a brand new lamp. It's been forever since I've gotten a lamp, and I am so excited to get this lamp. I've been using my lamps for a very long time now. Linked in the description box is the Sun2, I think, and I've been using that lamp for I want to say like 3 years now, and it has done a fantastic job for me. But I really need to get another one. So here is the Sun, I believe, I don't know if this is the Sun 4 or 5, but it's a 48 watt, and this is from Madam Glam. So they were so kind to send me this lamp so I could show it off to you guys, and I can't wait. I also did a review on a lamp from, I'm going to say their name wrong, Miro Pure, I think, and this is the same lamp, I believe, close to the same lamp. So here's our plug. It's really early, guys, so sorry about my voice and my lack of peppiness today. Okay, so yes, this is the Sun5 LED lamp, and here is their manual for it. So it comes with, this is your plug. My other Sun lamp had a really big box for the plug, which made it hard to plug into certain plugins over here because I have a lot of stuff at my desk that is plugged in. So this is going to make it a little bit easier for me personally. Here are your controls. You have your 10-second, 30-second, 60-second, and 99-second low heat mode. So that is all your specifications, your warnings, your whatnots, your manual. Here is the lamp itself. Let's get that out of the way. I'm going to link both lamp reviews in the description box, and I'll put like a card up here for you guys of the other two lamps that I have, so you can see those if you'd like. Ooh, it's so pretty. And it says Madam Glam on top. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's got this beautiful white pearly finish to it. That is gorgeous. Ooh, I really like that a lot. And of course it's got the magnetic bottom, so you can take this off. These bottoms I don't love as much as the metal plates because they're harder to clean when you get gel on them. And I'm going to show you my other two lamps and show you what I mean. So here is, okay, so here is my lamp that is similar to this one. This is the Miro Pure lamp. Now it is just a white lamp. It doesn't have that pearl finish to it. They are otherwise identical, except for branding and color. They have the same functions on the back. They have the same type of plug-in. You can see how much I've used this lamp and how dirty it is. Let me show you the bottom plate. So when you get gel on this, you can't really take acetone to it because this is plastic and it will melt this part here. So it makes it a little bit harder to clean the lamp completely to make it look nice and neat. You can still sanitize it, which I do quite regularly. And here is my other Sun lamp. Let me unplug this one for you. This is the Sun2, and this little lamp has done me very well. This one I haven't cleaned in a long time, the gel off of it, but you can see it's a metal plate, and I could take acetone to this and get all that gel off. So just hazards of the job, getting gel everywhere, gel all over the front of the lamp, all over the top of the lamp. The hole is plenty big to stick your hand in, but I still have people who can't seem to get it in there without bumping it. Other nail techs will know exactly what I mean. So anyways, back to the Madam Glam lamp. So we're all plugged in, and we've got the numbers up on the front here. If you push the 10-second, of course it's going to count down from 10. We've got our 30-second, our 60-second, and when I hit the low heat mode, you'll see it dim. You can see the light goes down. It does 30 seconds at the lowest heat, then it'll bump up a notch for another 30 seconds, and then the last 30 it does the highest setting. So that is to help prevent heat spikes when you're doing builder gels and whatnot. And nice big opening for your hand, plenty of space. So I'm going to test it out with a builder gel and see how well it cures. Okay, I'm going to use an old pot of Light Elegance gel. This is almost completely empty. This is their one-step hard gel, and I put some glitter in the bottom of it, so we're going to use that as a test to cure. And I'm just going to put quite a big dollop inside the well of this pop stick here, and we'll test it out here. Okay, and of course I got gel in there already. So let's just poke it a little bit here and see. That is completely cured, and you can feel how hot it is. I would never put that big of a bead on a client and put it on full strength. That would burn so bad, but it did cure it completely through. So that is fantastic. So let's do gel polish now. I'm just going to use the Madam Glam one-step gel, and this is VIP. I'm going to actually put that right over top of that gel, so that'll take care of that sticky layer for me. I'm going to do 2 coats. Of course, it's going to go on a little bit lumpy because, you know, this isn't smooth or filed or anything. Do 30 seconds. Okay, and that was the first coat, and that is completely cured. I'm going to do a second, make it more opaque. This is such a pretty color. Okay, so that is 2 coats and completely cured. So the lamp works great. I really don't know what else to say about it, but I'm going to take it. It's going to, I think, replace my Sun2, just because I've had that one for a really long time, and I think it's due to be updated. And yeah, it seems to work really great. I am going to put it to use. It's going to go on my desk here at the salon, and I'm going to use it every day. So if you guys want updates on how it's performing, I'll let you know that. So I think that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending me this beautiful lamp. I know my clients are going to love this. I rave about your products all the time. I use them every single day. I love the gel polishes, so I can't wait to start using this little goodie on my clients. So thank you guys so much for watching, and check the description box below. I have a 30% off code. You can go to their website and check that out, but if you sign up for their emails, you can get all kinds of deals. They're constantly having specials and like 50% off sales, so keep an eye out for that if you want to snag some good Madam Glam stuff. So alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!
I'm afraid sometimes.